Ready to go. I can barely hold it with one hand. What's good, guys? Royal Crown Mastiff back again with another video, and we're doing a raw feed-in video today. Little did you guys know, for a week I've been feeding the dogs over 3 pounds, and it's been looking different. Look at the weight gain on all of them. The females have been getting 5 pounds, and the males have been getting 3 pounds. So we're on 1 week, and we're gonna go for 8 weeks, and then we're gonna wean them down to it should be around 2.5 pounds a day. But for now, we're at 5 pounds a day for the females. Look, they're getting big. Look at this. Look at the size of them. Look at the size of them. The weight gain is fast. So in 2 weeks, like they're gonna look real good. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this raw feeding going. I got the indoor leash because it's time. Like, I gotta indoor train the dogs. So when you got like 4 dogs, you really gotta calm them down in the house. It's like, how do I just chill on the couch? Sometimes you gotta just the ones that are in the crates for now. When you let them out, you gotta put them on the leash and you gotta just like calm them down and really show the type of behavior that you want. But look at how calm she is. She's looking beautiful. She's looking beautiful. And so now it's looking good too. Good weight gain. I can't wait to weigh them. This is what we got right here, guys. So tomorrow will be week 1. And we'll be weighing them from there. And we're going all the way for 8 weeks. So stay tuned, guys. Anyways, I want to get this raw feed-in video started. We're going to be feeding Vermina about 8 pounds. Yes, she's going to be the dog of choice today. Look at how good she looks. Like, she's so big. She's muscular. Woo. She's lean. I like her. She's a good temperament. She's a smart dog, too. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good raw feeding video. I got to show you guys what I got her eating. This is what she's eating every day, guys. We're dedicated. Royal Crown Mastiff. Stay tuned. First, we got 2 chicken chubs. 2 1-pound chicken chubs. Then we're going to be adding some fish smelts. Forgot what this is. It's not spinach. It's not... Is it kale? I forgot what it is. Something green. Then we're going to have chopped spinach. We're going to be adding that. We're already at 1 pound, 13 ounces. Yep. Stay tuned. Next, we're going to be adding pork. What do you call this? Pork button bones. We're going to be adding some beef fat. And we're going to add... Haha! Yes, this is the special treat for today. 1 pig's foot. 1 for each pup. We're already at 2 pounds, 7 ounces. I'll show you guys where we're at before... Well, once I put this all in. Stay tuned. Yeah, so as you can see, we added 15 ounces. The scale reset it on me. But if we lift this up, yeah, we're at 3 pounds, 10 ounces. So yeah, we're at like about like, wow, I reset it again. Oh my goodness. We're at about 4 pounds, guys. And we have one last thing to add. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So this is a calorie-dense meal, guys. We got multiple sources of protein. It's so heavy. It's 4 pounds. She's ready to eat it. Yeah, she's ready to go. I can barely hold it with one hand before I drop the whole damn thing. They're ready to eat. She's ready. Look how good she looks, guys. She's gonna be a good looking dog. Anyways, guys, I'm about to feed her. I got one last thing to add. You'll see when I add it to the crate. Stay tuned. Royal Crown Mastiffs. We out. And as you can see, we added an extra pound and a bit of a salmon head on top, guys. So this is a 5-pound meal, almost 6 pounds. Don't forget, we added our probiotics and our multivitamin every day for this big pup. Stay tuned for this meal, guys. Stay tuned. Just a second, let me get the light on. Nice and patient. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food, guys. pig's leg, salmon head, probiotics, spinach. Oh man, pork button. Oh my gosh, fish, chicken. And she's being such a patient girl. Okay, girl. Oh, you can't eat that first. Yeah. No, come on, girl. Yeah, go for all you can eat first. There we go. Lots of beef fat. Yep. If you guys can hear Wolverine in the background, it's because I let him outside so we could make this video peacefully. He's just always chirping. At least keep this like centered. Come on. There we go, girl. Oh my gosh. Ooh. There we go, guys. She's going for the big stuff now. Oh yeah. Ooh. Good girl. She's really working on this one. Nice. Dang. Taking her a while to get that down. Good girl. Oh, they're right here. This is so messy. Like, that's the downside to raw food, guys. The mess. It's so messy. Look at the mess. Nope. Can't go for that like that, girl. Nope. Go for something else. Yeah. She's almost done. That's a lot, guys. Almost 6 pounds of food this dog just ate. Here we go. Yep, here we go. Excuse you. Oh. Let's go. Good girl. This is a big salmon head, by the way, guys. Like, this is a big one. I think this bowl's done, guys. Let me get it out of your sight. Wow. This one's taking her a while to take down. Might even take away the pig leg from her. Just because she's taking a while with this. Oh You got a girl. Good girl. She's got crazy bite force. Wow. She's going for it. This last bit is challenging for her. Nala's like finishing up the bowl. Okay. She almost done that? She's almost there. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. Like, this is crazy. This has been her most challenging one. Wow, she's done that. She's got to, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna just have to chew on this. This pig leg might take a while, guys. Oh yeah, she's looking so good now. Who's in my face? Get out of my face. Get out of my face. This is just for, you know, mental stimulation, guys. Like, let's be honest here. She doesn't really know how to eat that. I'm probably going to take that away from her in a little bit. But just let her chew on that and, you know, just a reward for having such a good meal. Oh, yeah, see? This will keep her busy. Keep her off my case, guys. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to just move on to the next dog, guys, but that'll be for another video. Look at all the blood coming out of it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on another video. Royal Crown Mastiffs. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Oh yeah, she's destroying that. Wow. If you guys like to see more videos, then stay tuned, man. We got a lot of videos dropping. You guys are gonna see the results of 5 pounds every day for 8 weeks. It's gonna. I can already see a difference. Like, come on, I know already. Look at the difference already just from here, guys. Wow. Look at the chicness in the black coat, guys. Wow, she's really destroying that. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Catch you guys on another video. Royal Crown Mastiffs. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, get out of my face. We out. Update about 10 minutes later. She's still working on it, but it's pretty much, yeah, she's tearing the skin off of it. I'm gonna let her have it. I have another one, but we'll save that for another dog for another day. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.